Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2017 Lexus NX 200T. This comes in a gray exterior, and we have a black interior. Power memory seats. Sunroof. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 72,424. Have a push button ignition. And here we have climate control. We've got a CD player, shifter, access different sport modes. Use your command module for making adjustments on the display. And here is our display currently showing navigation, backup camera, and radio. All right. Go ahead and hop out, show you the rest of the vehicle here next. Rear seats. Quick peek up front. Look at that sunroof. And coming around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Lexus NX 200T badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. And if you're interested in getting additional information about this 2017 Lexus NX 200T, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.